Hello, this is Josh and I'm doing a video on my latest mod piece, and hopefully this comes out and you can see that it looks like your typical torch on the wall, but I want to show you what the difference is here. So I'm just going to turn on the light. Whoa. And what I'm going to show you here is that this torch is removable. Now, how am I doing this? Well, you can probably see if I zoom in here that it's basically two small neodymium magnets, rare earth magnets, that I'm using as basically contacts. And you'll see below here that I've basically cut out for my slide switch in my battery, compartment battery, and my wiring. What you typically do on one of these pieces when you're making a torch. The only difference really is the magnet. Now, why do a magnet? So that I can remove the torch. Well, simply put, because I like modular stuff. And here we have one of my mirrors that I made, and I can basically put that on the magnet and stick it to the wall. You'll see on the back I have a little piece of metal. I needed to have something that was going to stick to the magnets because this piece itself isn't made out of a material, a metal material that's magnetic. And here is a picture frame that I've done that can also stick on the wall. So the idea with the magnets is really just to make it a modular tile, so I can stick whatever I want on it, including, of course, the torch. Something else that I want to add just before I put the torch on here, back again, is a shield and weapons display. And that's another piece that I'm going to build. And there's all sorts of other ideas, but those are the main four, I guess, that I've had and that I'm working on. I have the shield and weapons to do last. So you see the contacts from the LED itself are what I use as the little bars that connect up to the magnets. That on a regular torch would be actually the bars that are welded onto a plate, and the plate stuck to a wall. And in fact, I'm going to do a plate there. I just have to get aluminum because we don't want it to be a magnetic material or a material, metal material that'll conduct electricity. Otherwise, I'll short my circuit. And so I need to get a piece of aluminum and drill a couple small holes so that my contacts can make contact with the magnets. And I'll have my lit torch. So it's pretty much almost done, as you may be able to see. I have it painted up and everything. See if we bring it in a little bit closer here. There we go. So it looks pretty slick, I would say. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I've got about at least 9 more to go. So I've got my work cut out for me.